Welcome to Vlogmas 2022. So excited about Vlogmas this year. I have a goal of bringing you a video every single day for the month of December. It may be a full length video or it may be a short, but stay tuned for the ride. Make sure you subscribe, like this video, share it with others, and stay tuned for the rest of Vlogmas. Welcome to day 4 of Vlogmas. In today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you the current cleansers that I'm using. Keep on watching. So I have about 8 cleansers that I am rotating through that I'm loving right now. So I'm going to be sharing them with you in no particular order. But first up is a brand that is near and dear to me, and it is Uncle Funky's Daughter. I do have a discount code for these amazing products, which I will leave up above and in the description box below with the link, so make sure that you check that out. But the 2 cleansers from Uncle Funky's Daughter that I'm going to be sharing with you today is Rich and Funky, which is the moisturizing cleanser. It's sulfate free, color safe, with comfrey, rosemary, kelp, willow bark, and marigold. So this is a great moisturizing shampoo. And then there's also Squeaky, which is a clarifying cleanser. It's sulfate free, color safe, with tea tree, kelp, willow bark, and menthol. And the minty tingle that you get from Squeaky is unmatched. So if you're looking for a deep cleanser, this is the one for you. If you're looking for a moisturizing cleanser, this is the one for you. So most times, definitely after protective styling, I go for Squeaky. If it's been more than a week or 2 that I've washed my hair, I go for Squeaky. Sometimes I double cleanse, so I'll go in with Squeaky and then I'll go in with Rich and Funky. But I definitely, 10 out of 10, recommend these 2 cleansers. Next up in the cleansers that I'm currently using is from CurlSmith. This is the Core Strength Shampoo. It is a gentle shampoo for damaged hair, anti-buildup, it strengthens, and it's anti-breakage. And it is made with prickly pear cactus, pumpkin seed oil, guava juice, wild rice protein, pressed hemp oil, and shredded kale. This shampoo is so bomb, and the conditioner that goes with it, that multitasking conditioner, chef's kiss. But this is definitely another 10 out of 10, highly recommend. Next up in my current cleansers that I'm using right now is from Bask&Bloom. I just tried these hair products this year, this past summer. And I'm disappointed that it took me so long because their products are amazing. But here today, I'm here to talk about the Gentle Herbal Cleanser. It's a gentle, rich cleansing shampoo. Now, this is a gentle cleanser, but the lather and the cleanse that it gives, 10 out of 10, highly recommend. So this one is a gentle, nourishing way to cleanse without stripping the hair of natural oils with a unique blend of oils, extracts, and soothing scalp ingredients. You can enjoy wash day from the start. Absolutely love this cleanser. Next up on my cleansers that I'm currently using is from a brand that you've seen many times on my channel and on my Instagram if you're following me there. If you're not following me there, why not? Go ahead and follow me on Instagram, Pinterest, TikTok, all under Miss Teach1225. Go ahead and do that now. But the brand that I'm referring to is none other than Camille Rose. So I actually have 4 cleansers from Camille Rose. In no particular order, first up is the Black Castor Oil and Chebe Cleanse. It's invigorating scalp treatment shampoo. I fell in love with this shampoo last December, I believe it came out, November or December. Absolutely fell in love with this cleanser. 10 out of 10, highly recommend for me. Next up is one that I just tried this year, and this is the Lavender Stimulating Growth System Fresh Cleanse. It's detangling and moisturizing hair cleanser. Great lather, definitely moisturizing, and I absolutely love the smell. Another 10 out of 10, highly recommend. Next up is an OG favorite of mine from Camille Rose. It's the Sweet Ginger Cleansing Rinse made with castor and aniseed oil. And this shampoo, love, love, love it. And I absolutely love the nozzle, which also comes on the Shea Bay and castor oil shampoo as well. But this shampoo is an OD but goodie. And last but not least, cleanser from Camille Rose is the brand new. The brand new, it came out on Black Friday. I do have a video using the products from the full line. I'll link that up above. But this is from the Rosemary Oil collection. This is the Strengthening Hair and Scalp Cleanser. It's clean, vegan hair care and essential oil scented. Absolutely love this cleanser. Also has that minty smell, which I absolutely love. It has great lather and it's also moisturizing. So another 10 out of 10, highly recommend. So let me know in the comment section below if I showed some of your favorite cleansers or what cleansers you're using currently. Hope you guys have enjoyed this video. Make sure that you are subscribed, turn on your notifications so that you don't miss any of my videos. I am doing Vlogmas, so you don't want to miss any of this good content. Hope you guys have enjoyed this video. Again, please don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share, and I will see you in my next video.